Disney treasure. We're looking in stateroom 8048. This is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. Has a split bathroom, as we have come to expect on Disney ships, with a large bathtub. And the closet setup is very similar to the Wish. Safe inside. The wood is much lighter colors, really makes the room nice and bright in here. And this is an up theme. I mean, that's adorable. TV on the wall. This stateroom only sleeps 3. The couch folds out, but there is no pull down right there. So 3 people. And there's lots of storage space over here. And here's a peek out at our veranda. There's plenty of room for 3 people. Very nice stateroom.